The useReducer hook is used for managing complex state logic in React. It's a preferred choice when state transitions depend on the previous state, making it suitable for handling actions that increment or modify state. In this example, we create a counter component that uses useReducer to manage the state. We define a reducer function that handles state updates based on action types, and we dispatch actions to update the count. The useLayoutEffect hook is similar to useEffect, but it runs synchronously after all DOM mutations. Use it when you need to read layout from the DOM before the next repaint. Here, useEffect is used to fetch data when the component mounts empty dependency array. The fetched data updates the data state variable, and the component renders accordingly. useDebugValue allows you to display custom labels for custom hooks in React DevTools. It's useful for debugging and improving the developer experience when working with custom hooks. In this snippet, useContext allows the theme button component to directly access the current theme value provided by a higher-level theme provider without prop drilling. useCallback is used to memoize functions, preventing unnecessary re-renders in child components. It's especially useful when passing functions as props. In this example, we have a React component called counter that maintains a count state. Inside this component, we use the useCallback hook to create a memoized function named increment. This increment function is responsible for increasing the count state when a button is clicked. The key advantage of useCallback is that it memoizes functions, preventing unnecessary recreation of the function when the component re-renders. This optimization helps enhance the performance of the React component, especially when dealing with complex or frequently changing functions.